KFC, short for Kentucky Fried Chicken, has long been celebrated for its iconic fried chicken, a dish loved by millions around the world. The process of creating KFC's signature fried chicken in its factories is a fascinating combination of traditional culinary techniques and modern manufacturing practices. Every piece of chicken goes through a meticulously designed process to ensure it meets the high standards of taste, texture, and safety that the brand promises. Behind the scenes, the journey of KFC fried chicken from raw ingredients to the crispy, golden delight served in restaurants involves numerous steps, attention to detail, and rigorous quality controls. The journey begins with the selection of high-quality chicken. KFC partners with trusted poultry suppliers to source fresh chicken that adheres to strict standards. These suppliers rear their chickens in controlled environments to ensure the birds are healthy and meet KFC's requirements for size and quality. Each chicken is inspected for defects, and only those meeting the stringent guidelines proceed to the next stage. The commitment to quality starts at the very foundation, ensuring that the raw ingredient is of the finest caliber. Once the chicken arrives at a KFC factory, it undergoes a thorough inspection and cleaning process. Each piece is examined to ensure it is free from blemishes and other imperfections. The chicken is then washed in sanitized water to remove any potential contaminants. This stage is crucial for maintaining hygiene and preparing the chicken for the subsequent steps. Every factory is equipped with state-of-the-art cleaning systems that adhere to international food safety standards, guaranteeing that the chicken is pristine before further processing. After cleaning, the chicken is divided into specific cuts, such as drumsticks, wings, thighs, and breasts. This step is carried out by highly skilled workers or automated machinery, depending on the factory. Each piece is cut to precise specifications to ensure consistency in size and weight. Consistency is critical, as it allows for uniform cooking times and ensures that every bite of KFC chicken delivers the same satisfying experience. The pieces are then sorted and prepared for marination, which is a key step in infusing flavor into the chicken. Marination is one of the most vital aspects of the KFC chicken making process. The chicken pieces are immersed in a proprietary blend of seasonings and spices that have been perfected over decades. This blend includes the famous 11 herbs and spices, a closely guarded secret that forms the backbone of KFC's flavor profile. The marination process ensures that the flavors penetrate deep into the meat, creating a taste that is both robust and unique. Depending on the recipe and regional preferences, the marination time can vary, but it is always long enough to allow the spices to infuse thoroughly. Once marinated, the chicken moves to the breading station. Here, the pieces are coated with a special flour mixture that adds the signature crispiness to KFC's fried chicken. Workers at this station follow a precise method to ensure even coating. The chicken is first dredged in the flour mixture, then dipped in water, and finally returned to the flour for a second coating. This double breading technique creates a thick, crispy crust that is a hallmark of KFC fried chicken. The process is often done by hand to ensure that each piece receives the perfect amount of coating, highlighting the blend of manual craftsmanship and culinary expertise. The breaded chicken is then transferred to the frying station, where it is cooked to perfection. KFC uses pressure fryers, a method that distinguishes its fried chicken from many other brands. Pressure frying locks in moisture, ensuring the chicken remains juicy on the inside while achieving a crispy exterior. The fryers are set to specific temperatures and cooking times, which are carefully monitored to guarantee consistent results. This method not only enhances the flavor and texture of the chicken, but also ensures it cooks more quickly and evenly than traditional frying methods. Throughout the frying process, strict quality controls are in place to ensure each piece of chicken meets KFC standards. Workers and automated systems check the color, texture, and temperature of the chicken to confirm it has been cooked properly. Any pieces that do not meet the criteria are removed from the production line. These rigorous checks reflect KFC's commitment to delivering a superior product to its customers. Once fried, the chicken is allowed to cool slightly before being packaged. Depending on the destination, the chicken may be packaged for immediate delivery to restaurants or frozen for distribution to locations farther away. For fresh deliveries, the chicken is carefully packed in insulated containers to maintain its temperature and quality. In cases where the chicken is frozen, advanced freezing techniques are used to preserve its flavor and texture. Each package is labeled with detailed information, including the production date and batch number, ensuring traceability and transparency. KFC factories also prioritize hygiene and safety throughout the production process. Workers are required to wear protective clothing, including gloves, hairnets, and masks, to prevent contamination. The facilities are regularly sanitized, and equipment is cleaned thoroughly after each production cycle. Additionally, the factories undergo routine inspections by internal and external auditors to ensure compliance with food safety regulations. This unwavering focus on hygiene and safety is a cornerstone of KFC's operations, reflecting its responsibility toward customers and employees alike. Another critical aspect of KFC's production process is its commitment to sustainability and ethical practices. The brand has made significant strides in reducing its environmental impact, including minimizing waste, using energy-efficient equipment, and sourcing ingredients responsibly. Many KFC factories have implemented recycling programs and initiatives to reduce water and energy consumption. By integrating sustainability into its operations, KFC not only meets the demands of environmentally conscious consumers but also contributes to the global effort to protect the planet. While the process of making KFC fried chicken in factories is standardized to ensure consistency, there is also room for innovation and adaptation. The company regularly updates its recipes and techniques to cater to changing consumer preferences and regional tastes. For instance, some locations offer spicy or grilled chicken options, which require modifications to the traditional production process. This flexibility allows KFC to remain relevant and appealing to a diverse customer base. Finally, the human element cannot be overlooked in the making of KFC fried chicken. From the workers who inspect and cut the chicken to those who marinate, bread, and fry it, each individual plays a crucial role in bringing the product to life. Their dedication and attention to detail are integral to maintaining the high standards that KFC is known for. The combination of skilled labor, advanced technology, and a deep-rooted passion for quality is what makes KFC fried chicken a global phenomenon. In summary, the making of KFC fried chicken in factories is a complex yet carefully orchestrated process that blends traditional culinary practices with modern manufacturing techniques. From sourcing and inspection to marination, breading, and frying, every step is designed to ensure the final product is flavorful, crispy, and safe to eat. With a focus on quality, hygiene, sustainability, and innovation, KFC continues to set the standard for fried chicken production, delivering a product that has stood the test of time and remains a favorite around the world. Thank you for watching this behind-the-scenes look at how KFC's iconic fried chicken is made. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of food production. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update, and let us know in the comments which part of the process surprised you the most. See you in the next video.